Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Kannan. Here we will see my project IPL web app. This is my IPL web page. First of all, I will explain my project problem and functionality of my project. In our project, we will display all the IPL teams as well as card. That team card should be a good looking. If we click that card, it will redirect to the team page. The team card is contain all the list of the players in the team. If we click the player, we can able to see the information about the grid, information in the grid card. If we click the player name, we can see the information about the players. Or if you want to back to the home page, we can use the home page link. If you want to add your own team in this IPL team list, you can use this functionality. Add your team and logo and click create team. You can create your own team card in this IPL team card list. These are the problems of my IPL web page and functions of my web page. Here we will see the function of my web pages. Use of this link, you will go to my project web page. This is my project web page look like that. It shows you all the teams in the IPL. Totally 8 teams are there. We can able to see the all IPL teams in my web page. If we click the team card, it will redirect to the team page. Example, I will click the Royal Challengers Bangalore team card. It will redirect to me that team page. This is the Royal Challengers Bangalore team page. This team page contains all the players of the team. This is the name list of the players in the team. All players list is there. If you want to know the player information, click that player's name. Click the player's name, you can able to see the player information card in the right hand side card. Example, I click the ABD videos. Here's the ABD videos informations. We can able to see the player's name, player's date of birth, player's short name, player's nationality, player's bowling style and batting style. We can able to see all the players information. It's clicking the player's name. Click the player's name and click the and see the player's information in that card. This is all the team pages contains. If you want to go to home page, click home. Here we will again the home page. If you want to add your own team in the team card list, you can use this functionality. In this functionality, you can enter your team. Example, I'm here enter the team name Deccan Chargers and team logo URL. I copy this image address. I want to be this image as my logo, so I copy this image address and paste it and create team. You can create your own team like this way. The use of this functionality, we can create n number of cards. Example, create the second card, the name like that, create the second card. This is the function of this. We can create the we can create your own team card like that. You can create your you can add your team card in the IPL card team card list. This is the function of this division. If you want to delete your team card, use delete your teams buttons. If you click this button, your team card will be deleted. And again the home page. These are the total functionality of my web pages. You can able to see all teams like that. Example, you can click that card, click that player's information as well. Click home page, return to the home page. Click IPL team card. We can select many teams. Each team has separated styles, separated box, separated team member list. Each team has the unique to style background styles. Click the card. Each team has unique styles, unique background styles. We can use linear grading for this background. These are the total functionality of my web. Then we will see the creation of the web page. This is my web page code. Each team page has the separate team HTML file and separate JS file. Example, the CSK HTML file, CS file. Each team has separated HTML file and separated JavaScript file. But I connected the all teams style sheet in one CSS file. This is the main CSS file. I import only CSS, one CSS file. I connect the CSS file to all my HTML JavaScript pages. This is my index HTML file. The HTML files look like that. I created the HTML form for create the team. My index is JavaScript functionality is in my index JavaScript. I created my own API. This API contains the name of the team and logo of the team, logo link of the team, and ID of the team, URL, and redirect page. This all information about the team page is contained in that API. You can create JavaScript function, depends on that API. Use of this JavaScript function, we create the code and append it to the HTML page. This is the functionality of my JavaScript page. Creation of this code. This function is functionality of create your own team. You can enter your name as input value 1 and enter your URL as input value 2. You can set it into the local storage. Then you can stringify as JSON. That JSON stringify is look like an string JSON dot stringify. Use of these keys and the values, you can create your own team code like that. This is the local file. We can get data from the local storage and append into the your code list, your team, your key and the values are there. This is delete functionality of your code. If you click delete, you can delete your all local storage. If local storage is clear, your team data will be gone. So you can back to the home page. Now we will see that each team pages and their functionality pages. Each team has separate web page link. Example, this is the web page of Delhi Capital teams. This is the HTML web page of Delhi Capitals. This is JavaScript page of Delhi Capitals. Each teams are as like that. Each teams has separate API and separate functionalities. By the use of each team separated API, you can create the table and append the data into the table data list by the API. If you click, this is the on-click function of the name. If you click that name, you can able to see the player's name and player's date of birth short in this you by this use of this function. Each team has same functionality as like that. This functionality pages of the teams and the HTML pages of the separated teams. Each team has separated HTML page and separated JavaScript pages. This is the each team pages. These are the separated pages of the team. We got all the information about the players from IPL20.com website. In this website, we got the information about all the players. This is the API of this web page. By the use of this API, we can get all the information about the players in our project. This API contains all the information about the player, the player name, the player nationality, player date of birth, player bowling style, batting style, all the data of the players it contains. By the use of this API, we got our data. Finally, we will see the host of our project. We import our code in GitHub. This is our code in the GitHub. Use of the glitch, we can post our web pages. This is the glitch. We already connected our GitHub account to the glitch. By the use of this glitch, we can post our web pages. Our web pages are posted in this glitch. This is our web page. Files, all the files of our web page. By the click of this, we can get our link. This is the link of our web page. Copy link. Finally, we got our web page. Finally, we will see the short term of our functionality in this web pages. This is our web page. This web page contains all the IPL teams. All the IPL teams as like look like as card. This card look like good. If you want to know the information about the IPL team, click that card. By the clicking of that card, you can redirect to that IPL team page. In that page, we can able to see all the IPL team, all the team players in the table. You can see all the team players. If you want to know the information about the players, click that player name. Click that player name. You can see all the information in the right-hand side the grid card. You can see the information about the player, date of birth, short name, nationality, bowling. All team web pages look like that. You can, if you want to go to a page, click home. All team web pages look like that. This is one of our team web pages. Click player and see the player card in detail. Click home to the redirect to the home page. If you want to create your own team, use this functionality. Enter your team name. My team name. Enter your logo URL. And create name. You can create your own team like that. Enter your team name. You can create n number of team. Here. Your team card. If you want your delete team card, delete your teams. Click button. Click the button delete your teams. By clicking of the delete your teams, your teams will be gone. You can able to you back to the home page. This is the total function of our web page. Thanks for watching my project. This is Raj from Coimbatore. Thank you all.